Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably eager to transfer your Modic tokens from your Arculus wallet to Bitrue in 2025. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process that can be done in just a few minutes. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned pro, I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it with confidence. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need your Arculus wallet app installed on your device and a verified account on Bitrue Exchange. Also, double-check that you have some Modic tokens in your Arculus wallet. Security is key, so ensure you're on a secure network to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets, or Wallet, section and select Modic from your list of tokens. This will show you your current balance. Take a quick note of it. Next, head over to your Bitrue account. Go to the Deposit section, select Modic, and copy the wallet address provided. It's crucial to get this right, as sending to the wrong address could mean losing your funds forever. Pro tip: always verify the network. Use the Polygon network for Modic transfers to keep fees low. Now, back in Arculus, go to the Send or Transfer option. Paste the Bitrue wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Modic you want to send, and review the transaction details, including any network fees. These fees might vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. Once sent, you'll get a transaction ID. Save that for tracking. It should take a few minutes to a couple of hours to reflect in your Bitrue account, depending on the network. And there you have it. That's how you send Modic from Arculus to Bitrue in 2025. Always remember to stay safe. Double-check addresses and use hardware wallets when possible. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.